Vin, we got the E36 out, and it's kitted.
Yo.
This thing's kitted now.
Fresh kit.
Got the HM Sport kit. Got the Fooses on the looses.
Yo, the Foosies, Lucy and Soupy spent so much time painting this body kit.
He did.
And
We're not going to say
destroy
where,
it.
though. We can't say where.
I can't wait to
legal
destroy
reasons.
it.
Yeah,
and
we're
watch
gonna
his
destroy the
face.
store
It's going to be
today.
so bad.
But before that,
we got a special guest here today. She was at Fuel Fest. She tagged us on Instagram. We started talking. She said, I want to learn how to do donuts at the burn yard. We said, you know what? We got a car that runs. We got one. Damn.
Yo,
Damn. This isn't who DM'd us, but damn, Juan.
Yo, I got to say.
Wow.
Juan's stance harder than the stance on our E36.
Oh, come on. We got to get the max low springs. Hit me with the split.
Shit, I guess. I got it lower than the car, bro.
Dang!
Oh, you gotta get a better up than that though. That was not.
Yeah, you got to get a better up.
How do I do this?
Come on, pop up, channel it from the core.
Oh!
Come on, ready? We'll get there.
Yeah, we'll get there.
I like how his pants match the car today, too.
Oh, yeah, I was planning on it.
Without further ado, let's talk to our special guest.
Hey guys.
Hey guys,
What up?
what's up?
What's your name? Where are you from?
I'm Inanna Sarkis and I'm originally from Toronto.
Okay. So what compelled you to tag our cars on Instagram at Fuel Fest and actually hit us up a
Because
while
they were
back?
sick. And my daughter, did you see my daughter? She was obsessed with all your cars.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she was like walking around trying to take photos with all of them. So
Nice.
yeah, I've been to the other burn yard bash.
Yeah.
I've been to one like
Okay.
probably 2 years ago.
Nice.
The ones at
Hert,
Orlando.
Yeah.
Nice.
So it was fun. I love going to different events like that. But this is gonna be exciting because I've never actually done full donuts, and that looks like a fast car.
Whoa, we've heard a completely different
I mean,
story.
I've done them on a track. Whoa! Sick. And I've kind of burnt one of my friend's engines before.
Hell yeah. You'll
Well,
fit right in.
Yeah,
No
that's
sweat.
That's perfect. Well, we've tried to burn this one down. We haven't done it yet.
Okay, don't worry, I
But
got
maybe
it.
today's the day. Maybe today's the day.
This, like, if I've ever seen someone set up for failure, it's definitely this.
Look at my cushion.
This is like,
I mean, I'm like 5'4". That thing's built for like a 6'5" person.
that's like,
There was so much.
It's
I
built for
couldn't-
medium boys, but you know, we got you hooked up. It's
Yeah,
safe.
it's pretty comfy.
All that stuff's
I mean, it's
fireproof,
got
I
lots
think.
of pads.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So in case, I got my padded cushions there.
All right, listen up, kids. Uncle Zach got a present for you. An icon from the 2000s tuner era is back, the Motegi Battle, except this time, get it in sick offsets and sizes. Head over to throttle.com/MR. Use code GETWHEELS at checkout for an extra special present from your boy.
How
what did
fast
you-
does it go?
Pretty quick. Don't make that face.
What? You don't
make
need to go that
face.
fast. There's containers,
How fast
there's walls.
does it go?
So this started life as a $2,000 junkyard car. It was a BMW M3. We put an LS3 in it, Corvette engine.
Oh,
So
sick.
You want to, let's look at it.
Yeah, we might as well.
I don't know if you care or not, but we're going to look
No,
at
I
it.
do.
anyway.
I
the
want to
people
see.
want to see it.
Oh, that's what those things were
Yeah,
for.
otherwise your hood
How could this happen to me?
Flies
flies
up.
up.
Holy shit.
So,
Where's there anything else? There's literally just an engine.
no, this is it. Just an engine.
Yeah, that's all you
the
need.
intake is
What
inside
about the AC?
car. Doesn't have it, which sucks. No, you know what? She
Where
fits
else
in
did I
great
see
because
it?
if you guys watch any of our other content, you know that our number one question about race cars is does it have air conditioning? Because that's the most important shit to us.
It is.
Yeah.
It's California shit. You can't be.
You can't be out here
Oh.
just getting
Driving around
soaked.
in 90 degrees.
Well, look, we're Buster Spec right here. We don't have AC on it yet.
Oh, there isn't. Okay.
Maybe you'll be
I
the
mean-
catalyst.
But
But
we got an intake inside the car, so watch your hands because get sucked right down into that shit.
Where? What?
you're horrible.
What's my
Jesus.
hand getting
So
stuck?
this is actually the air intake for the whole car.
So if my
we
hand
put
can't
it
get
inside.
stuck in
No,
here.
it won't get stuck inside.
I'm
It's
like-
just a dick.
Oh wait, this is cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
So
looks
you
like a
hear it when you
radio.
hit the gas. It makes all kinds of whooshy noises and all
So
that.
what have you driven before that you got to like slide around and stuff?
So I drove an E36 M3 on the track.
How'd
Okay.
that go?
I mean, it was going well until I don't think it was my fault.
We don't even
It
need to
wasn't
hear the
my
end.
fault. I swear it was already broken because he said he was driving home and it was like getting like
That's
burnt
sick.
something.
Hey,
I
Hert,
don't know.
she's using your move.
Yeah, it was
Oh.
it was
Using
already-
your move. She broke something, but she said it was
It was
already.
broken.
Oh, pre-broke.
It
We
was
call that
already
pre-broke.
broken. Yeah, it was
Pre-broke.
broken.
Yeah.
If you
It
break
wasn't
something,
driving. I
Yeah.
mean,
I mean, you don't just get in the car and it breaks and then it's your fault.
Someone was.
there was
Someone was
something-
getting it there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before I
We
got
understand.
in, someone was doing something to it.
So here's the
and then a
trick.
Tesla. Oh, and then a Honda. I've done it too.
Nice
track
Back
record.
in Toronto.
Nice
Well,
track
so
record.
here's the
the
move.
snow.
Drive this thing, have fun. Anything
it.
breaks, get out. You point at him. You just go.
His fault.
This guy.
No,
He
we
did it.
We did
He
it.
did it.
We
He
did
did it, and then I'll
And then you
just
just
run.
walk away. No, you don't even have to. Just
No,
leave
you don't
it,
even
play
have
it
to
where
run.
It lies.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
we're not
okay.
that fast. Don't worry.
Got it.
Yeah.
So I didn't.
Look at us. You
so
think
I
we're running
signed-
after anything?
No.
So if I do
Unless there's
break it,
donuts.
there's nothing on me. Let's just put that on the record.
You're clear.
Okay, great.
You're clear on the
Perfect.
pre-break, I think. So anyways, this E36 M3, it's a little older, but it's got some power, and we got some less grip tires in the back, so it should light it right up. But you
Great.
do know how to drive manual.
Yes,
Okay. You're good.
of course.
You're good.
Got it.
Yeah, that's all you really need to know.
Turn one way, floor it.
And then just go.
So really,
back?
the most important thing to learning a donut is
It's
the
the
classic.
zip app.
Hit,
Yeah.
him with it. Hit him with it.
She already knows.
No,
Zip
show
app.
us.
Zip app.
Zip app.
Yeah, that's
She
it.
knows.
Got
This
it.
is
Got it.
She's good. We don't. Let's go home.
Okay.
All
fine.
right.
All right.
See you
Enjoy
guys.
the car.
Oh,
Ready?
wait. You got the fast glasses on. Damn.
There's
we
no
got, all right, so we
AC,
got to
no
get a radio.
music.
We got to get an AC.
How am I gonna
Okay.
get into it? Do you have a speaker?
I mean, once you hear it turn on, hold on. Let's get this thing on.
What? The turn on is way over there?
That's just the battery cut off. All right, you're good. So, all right. Yep. You know.
Vroom, vroom!
Boom, boom. All right, you can let the clutch out right now. Give it a couple blips. Give it a couple blips of gas. Zap, zap. You hear that? You hear that? Zap.
All right, I'm ready.
You ready? All right, so what's your plan? Are you just going to turn in?
I have no plan.
What I recommend,
I'm gonna turn out and then turn in.
you can do that. All right.
What were you saying? Turn in
No,
right here?
Hey, do you. If you got a plan, go
There's
for it.
no, I don't have to let anything else off, right? Like there's
Nope. Yeah, if you clutch in and put it into first, and then let the clutch out and let it rip.
Got
And remember, if anything goes wrong, clutch and
clutch, brake, boom.
brake. Yep.
Got it. Okay.
All right. Wait a second. I feel like we just got played.
Came out with the sauce.
I feel like I'm just not going like this.
Yeah, because you're like pushing past the tires. So like drive like you're gonna drive in a circle, and then just midway through just dump it. You're good. You got it.
Hell yeah. You did it! You did a circle! Hell yeah! Nice!
Finally.
You want to try one more?
Yeah.
So when you get in the circle, when it starts circling,
I wanted to try and spin out of it.
yeah, turn the opposite way.
Okay.
It's called counter steer.
So we all think you should teach her to just counter steer right into it, because she has the commitment level to do it.
Yeah.
Like most people come out and they don't have the commitment, like they won't get on it, they're afraid to crash.
Oh, yeah,
Clearly
I know.
not a problem for her.
All right, I'll hop in.
Yeah, because like right now you're spinning or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So what do I do?
Yep, clutch in. I think everybody's clear. Yeah.
Everyone clear?
Yep, nice. So
Okay.
remember, just keep going in a circle like this for a little bit, right?
Okay.
When you feel the rear end come around, steer the opposite way.
And then still stay on the clutch.
Yep, still stay on the gas, yep. You're almost there. That's sick though, that was it. You popped the clutch, which was perfect. Yo, you are aggro.
I got it!
Yo, that was wild. That was wild. Oh,
that
my
was
God.
great. I need some air.
I almost died.
You broke it.
Yeah.
That would have been a you broke it, not a.
Good
job, you lit it up.
Man, thanks, guys.
You found
Thanks.
the sweet spot.
That was fun. I did it.
Well
I love it.
Nice.
But I still can't go around in a circle.
Why don't you have her ride
That's
along
what I
with
was
you?
saying. Yeah,
then she can
we'll
walk
swap
real quick.
seats.
What do we got going on?
This reminds me of good old days in the yard. Pull her out.
You guys practice that?
Sometimes.
Oh my god! Holy. Wait, there's 3 cars.
Yeah.
How often are you doing that?
3 at once.
Holy shit!
Oh boy.
That's fun.
That's what we get to do sometimes.
Oh man, I wish I knew how to do that.
Hey, listen, no, for real, if you want to come here,
Oh, I'm
no
so
cameras
down.
and shit, just practice.
Yeah.
You killed it.
I just
you
want to
said-
let everyone know I killed it today, and now I'm about to have some fruit roll up and Slim Jims.
People don't usually come here and do that well right off.
Really?
That's
I
what
mean,
was
I mean,
saying.
there was definitely a
I'm-
balance of recklessness,
Yeah.
and doing well, but
Yeah.
it's better to do that than to stall it.
Well, you can't really teach recklessness. You're
Yeah.
born with
you
it.
gotta be born with it.
And
I'm
you got
born
that
with
shit.
it.
If there was a foot cam, I feel like your foot would be going through the floor. I'm well
No, I
versed in
learned
doing
after
that.
when I was in the car with you. I was trying to watch your feet, and it's literally going like this on the gas.
Yeah, it's a lot of, you know.
Was your foot even on the clutch after
a
you
little bit.
got it?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you good. That's
A
the
tiny
that's the
bit.
Once you're
Zip
going,
back.
You just kinda
yeah, you
ran,
just kind of
ran,
dance.
ran.
Yeah, you just kind of dance.
Well, there was no music in the car.
and no
You gotta
AC.
listen to the motor and listen to your butt. Your butt tells you what to do.
your butt.
Your butt tells you.
Always
you're
follow
like,
your butt.
Mm.
So if the cars go, like if you want your butt to go that way, you have to steer that way.
Yeah.
So follow your butt.
Oh,
Follow your butt.
got it.
There's nothing else to it.
That's how I taught.
You can't be taught. You just have to feel it.
Just
right.
instincts.
The throttle.
Yeah, I definitely
Yeah.
feel a lot.
We all felt that too.
That's like when I started going, like, ooh, you know, that's.
He did. He did. I think all of us
Like,
were a little like.
yikes.
I thought at first we got played. Oh, I don't know how to do it.
Oh my god, what is that?
And
I
then
do that when I play poker too. I'm like, I don't know the hands. I don't know,
Do you wear your fast shades playing poker
Yeah,
too?
like-
Oh, come on, of course. Well, Inanna,
Honestly, that was so much fun. Thank
You
you so
crushed
much,
it.
guys.
You
I'm
crushed it.
Hell
definitely
yeah.
gonna be back next week.
oh, nice.
Training 101.
There you go.
Are you gonna start training me?
Yeah.
Really?
Buy a
Yeah, we're
car,
ready.
leave it here, we'll train you.
All right. $2,000, right?
Vin just lost us another parking spot.